Impact windows Clearwater, Florida are essential for homeowners seeking reliable storm protection. Clearwater. These windows are designed to withstand the harshest weather conditions, providing peace of mind during hurricane season. With impact-resistant windows Clearwater, you can ensure the safety of your home and family. Impact windows Clearwater provide the best combination of durability and security for your property. Window installation Clearwater is a crucial service for those looking to upgrade their homes with energy-efficient windows Clearwater. Professional window contractors Clearwater offer expert window solutions Clearwater, ensuring a seamless installation process. Whether you need window replacement Clearwater or custom windows Clearwater, experienced contractors can meet your needs. Impact windows Clearwater should be a top consideration when upgrading your windows for safety and efficiency. Hurricane shutters Clearwater are another effective storm protection Clearwater option. These shutters provide an additional layer of security, safeguarding your home from high winds and flying debris. For comprehensive window safety Clearwater, consider combining hurricane impact glass Clearwater with durable shutters. Impact windows Clearwater, when combined with hurricane shutters, offer the highest level of protection against storms. Window installation Clearwater services are available for those dealing with damaged or outdated windows. Skilled technicians can handle everything from window sealing Clearwater to window glazing Clearwater, ensuring your windows are in top condition. Regular window maintenance Clearwater is key to prolonging the lifespan of your windows. Investing in impact windows Clearwater ensures long-term resilience and enhanced home protection. For those interested in window upgrades Clearwater, impact glass Clearwater is a popular choice. This type of glass not only enhances window security Clearwater but also improves energy efficiency. By investing in energy-efficient windows Clearwater, homeowners can reduce their energy bills and increase their property's value. Impact windows Clearwater are a reliable investment that offers both energy savings and enhanced protection. Custom windows Clearwater offer a personalized touch to any home. Whether you're looking for unique designs or specific functionalities, custom options can cater to your preferences. Window tinting Clearwater and window reinforcement Clearwater are additional services that can enhance the performance and aesthetics of your windows. With impact windows Clearwater, you can customize your home's appearance while ensuring top-tier safety. Impact window services Clearwater provide comprehensive solutions for all your window needs. From impact window installation Clearwater to window maintenance Clearwater, these services ensure your windows are always in optimal condition. Trustworthy window contractors Clearwater can guide you through the process, offering expert advice and quality workmanship. Choosing impact windows Clearwater guarantees professional installation and long-lasting results. Storm windows Clearwater are an excellent choice for those seeking additional protection against severe weather. These windows are designed to withstand extreme conditions, providing an extra layer of defense. With storm protection Clearwater, you can rest assured that your home is well protected. Impact windows Clearwater offer an added level of security to withstand even the toughest storms. Window solutions Clearwater encompass a wide range of services, from window installation Clearwater to window upgrades Clearwater. Whether you're dealing with minor issues or planning a major renovation, professional window contractors Clearwater can assist you. Their expertise ensures that your windows are both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Impact Windows Clearwater are an integral part of any home improvement project focusing on safety and energy efficiency. Hurricane Impact Glass Clearwater is a must-have for homes in hurricane-prone areas. This specialized glass is designed to resist shattering, providing superior protection against storms. By choosing impact-resistant windows Clearwater, you can enhance your home's safety and security. Impact Windows Clearwater, Florida are the ultimate choice for storm-prone regions. Window safety Clearwater is a top priority for homeowners, especially in areas prone to severe weather. Impact Windows Clearwater, Florida offer unparalleled protection, ensuring your home remains secure during storms. With the right window solutions Clearwater, you can enjoy peace of mind year-round. Choosing Impact Windows Clearwater, Florida is the smartest investment for long-term safety. Impact Windows Clearwater, Florida are essential for storm protection Clearwater, providing superior window security Clearwater and window safety Clearwater. These impact-resistant windows Clearwater are designed to withstand extreme weather conditions, ensuring your home remains protected during hurricane season. Installing Impact Windows Clearwater guarantees the highest level of security. For those seeking energy-efficient windows Clearwater, our window solutions Clearwater offer a range of options, including window tinting Clearwater and window glazing Clearwater, to enhance your home's energy performance. Our custom windows Clearwater and window upgrades Clearwater are tailored to meet your specific needs, ensuring optimal performance and aesthetic appeal. Impact Windows Clearwater are the best choice for both energy efficiency and protection. Our window contractors Clearwater specialize in impact window installation Clearwater, providing expert window installation Clearwater and window maintenance Clearwater services. Whether you need window replacement Clearwater or window reinforcement Clearwater, our team is equipped to handle all your window needs. Impact Windows Clearwater are expertly installed by our experienced professionals to ensure maximum security. Hurricane shutters Clearwater and storm windows Clearwater are additional storm protection Clearwater measures that can be integrated with your Impact Windows Clearwater, Florida. These solutions offer added layers of defense against harsh weather, ensuring your property remains secure. Impact Windows Clearwater work best when combined with other storm-resistant features. Impact Glass Clearwater and Hurricane Impact Glass Clearwater are key components of our window installation Clearwater services. These materials provide unmatched durability and strength, making them ideal for window sealing Clearwater and window reinforcement Clearwater projects. Choosing Impact Windows Clearwater ensures your home is equipped with the most resilient materials available. Choose our Impact Window Services Clearwater for reliable and efficient window solutions Clearwater. Our team is dedicated to delivering high-quality window installation Clearwater and window installation Clearwater services, ensuring your home is equipped with the best storm protection Clearwater available. Impact Windows Clearwater, Florida provide homeowners with the peace of mind they deserve.